all of the whatever happened in the past. Ako na yung nag-front sa ating law enforcement at military. Sinabi ko na I will protect you and ako ang managot sa lahat.
The arrest of Rodrigo Duterte is a great signal for international criminal justice. It means that international criminal justice is a universal value for all human beings. It also means that no one is above the law, that there will be a day of reckoning, there will be a day of justice for everyone, and even powerful men such as Rodrigo Duterte.
Hindi niya po deserve yung nangyayari sa kanya. May mga bagay po siya na nagawa na yung iba po hindi nila nagustuhan, yung iba hindi nagustuhan. Pero yung karamihan naman po, mga natuwa naman.
I felt relieved po, especially na like what I said po, for the past 6 years or more na nangyari, simula na nangyaring extrajudicial killings, a lot of Filipinos, innocent lives were taken. Now they're getting the justice of the innocent families na naiwanan po nila.
Sa akin, parang chismis lang yan eh. Parang hindi naman totoo yung mga ano na yan eh. Pinaparatan sa kanya na yan eh.
Nagulat po, of course, since I'm not sure, pero I think matagal na din po itong naging ng ICC. Usap-usapin po. Pero yun po, ang masasabi ko lang po ay it's up to them na po since due process naman po yan.